Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete the expedition volunteer quest from Fashion Reporter in Heartopia for the upcoming Call of Whales event. And to complete the quest, guys, we need to seek approval from the town residents, and one of them is this fashion reporter. You can track her, and once you meet her, you can talk to her and then take the expedition volunteer quest and click on leave it to me. And here we have a quest to take a photo for the fashion reporter. So guys, to complete this quest, we need to take a photo that includes both of you and the fashion reporter in the same frame, like this. And after that, you're going to talk to her again, and then she will give you the stamp or the approval. Okay, like this, and done. This is the stamp from the fashion reporter. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the expedition volunteer quest from the fashion reporter in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!